you know, stepping out with a V-part glueless body wave wig 24-inch by UNice Hell. You know me. Yes, sir. Y'all see it. What's up, y'all? It's your girl KDiani here, back with another video. And as titled, today I'm showing you guys how I did this V-part glueless body wave wig by UNice Hair, 24 inches period. Y'all see it? You see it, how I did it. Okay, I'm gonna be showing you guys. And I just want to give a special shout out to UNice Hair for sending me this hair because I absolutely love it. It's human hair. It's super soft. Y'all see the curls? Y'all see them? It's giving body. Okay, so yeah, let's get straight into this video. So as you guys seen, that is what the final result is going to be like. The hair was given to me by UNice Hair. This is a V-part glueless body wave wig in 24 inches. In their goodie bag box, they also gifted me a couple items that included like tweezers, wig caps, lashes. They even gave me a satin robe and a satin scarf, and they gave me a melting band, which I really wanted, so I highly appreciate it. Thank you so much to UNice Hair for sending me this hair and the extra goodies. All right, so let me show you guys the inside of the wig. So this is the inside of the wig. It has 4 clips right here, and then it has 4 combs. Not 4, it has 3 combs on the inside, and it has the adjustable straps at the bottom. Yeah, the hair is like super soft. I'm like combing it through with my hands, and it's like no shedding whatsoever. It doesn't smell bad at all. This is like fresh out of the box. Y'all see Bentley right there being extra, doing the most. All right, let's just get into it. So you see I have my leave out right here. I did 2 braids. I did braids, and then I just pinned it up in the back with some bobby pins. So I'm gonna open up the clips. There's 4 clips. Okay, we're gonna pop this bad boy on here. So I'm gonna hook it, put a comb in the back, grab the other comb on the side, and the 3rd comb on the other side. So then now, let me go ahead and take my leave out. This is my leave out right here. Okay, so we have the 4 clips here. We're gonna do this side first. So I have the 2 clips open. Add 1 clip here, clip it. Make sure you hear that snap, clip it, hear that snap. So this is what it's gonna look like. Then now we're gonna move to the next side. Yeah, like this is so easy. Y'all have to get it. And I tried to make my braids as small as possible so that way this can lay like super duper flat. Now what we're going to do is flat iron it. Okay, make sure that thing is flat, okay? All right, so your girl done went and copped the shears because I don't think I'm gonna like how it's just straight. So let me just move my hair out the way, and I'm gonna like just layer it because I'm a layers girl. See how much I cut? So I'm gonna just go ahead and put some wax on here because we want this thing to lay flat, baby. Super flat.
So right, 'cause we had trust.
Now let's get to styling and profiling.
Let me know when you're alone, and we can ride the boogie. Maybe you missed the stroke. Just call and I'll come back to you. Gotta feel that heat, and we can ride the boogie. Share that beat of love. I wanna
wait until my man see me. Wait until my man see me.
and we can ride the boogie. Share that beat of love. I wanna
And then brush this through. Yeah, that's how I like it, like a little feather bang. I love the glueless V-part body wave wig in 24 inches. Who you know? Who you playing with? Who? Not me. All right, y'all. If y'all liked this video, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you guys go ahead and check out UNice hair. The link is down in the description box, as well with the code, so that you guys can get some coins off when y'all purchase this V-part wig. I'm telling y'all, get it. Like, it's super soft. Y'all seen the way it did the curls, okay? Y'all see the way it did the curls. Y'all see how quick and easy it is to do. Like, you need to get this. Like, all you gotta do is braid your hair down, leave a little bit out, flat iron it, blend it, and you're good to go. Beat your face, go out. You ready for brunch, honey? You ready for brunch? You ready? Graduations are over, right? Yeah, anyways, baby showers, cause everybody popping a baby, or okay, you're gonna be cute. You're gonna be cute. Basically, you get the point. But you gotta get your hands on this. You gotta get your hands on this, because if it was for me, I'd buy all of them. I didn't even know about these. I'm actually glad that UNice hair sent me this, because I'm gonna be stepping out this weekend. I don't know where I'm going, or I got an eyebrow appointment. My eyebrows gonna get cleaned. Y'all, I'm not gonna know how to act. I'm letting you know right now, I'm not gonna know how to act. Let me stop ranting, because I really love this hair. All right, if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, don't forget to like, don't forget to share. Most of all, don't forget to subscribe and turn on your post notification bell so that you're notified when I upload a new video. I know that gnat did not fly in my face. But until next time, peace. Link is in the bio. Deep inside, so what we've been through, I miss you, and you can't lie, you miss me too. If I roll through, put you in the mood, it could be just me and you, cause baby you missed the stroke. Let me know when you're alone, and we can ride the boogie.